Hello children, good morning to all. Hope you all are keeping fine children. Children, I have already started chapter 5, the Muslim League, and we have done till role of Sir Syed Ahmad. Children, now we will move ahead in this chapter, and today we will take the event that led to the formation of Muslim League. And the first was the Hindi-Urdu controversy. In the United Province, at which is present Uttar Pradesh, Urdu was the court language and all petitions of the office and court were submitted in Urdu. Now on April 8, 1900, the government instructed that all petitions were to be submitted in Urdu, in Hindi, in Devanagari script, and the court summons and office announcements to be raised in Hindi as well as Urdu. Now in the screen you can see the same thing is written here. Now this controversy showed the relation between the two communities, because first all the work was done in Urdu. Now Hindi was also given importance in this. Now the British did not had any good intention in doing this. They just wanted to sow the seed of bitterness between Hindus and Muslims. So they did this. Now Muslims felt very bad because now more importance was given into Hindi. After this, children, the foundation of Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental Association took place in 1893. The British wanted to counter the growing influence of Congress, because at that time Congress had become very powerful. They wanted to cut down their power, reduce their power. So what they did, they met with Muslims, and they gave more power to Muslim here to show that they favor Muslim, not Hindus. So what happened? So it promoted the formation of Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental Defence Association in 1893. Its main aim were to promote the loyalty of the Muslim to the British. They wanted the Muslim to be more loyal toward the British, so that because first Hindus and Muslim they all worked together, but here they wanted Muslim to cut off from the Congress and give favor to British. So this was the intention of British while doing this. Then the Aligarh politics. Here children you will read that Nawab Mohsin ul Mulk led the Aligarh movement after the death of Sir Syed Ahmad in 1898. The Aligarh movement worked to instill into the mind of the Muslim a spirit of loyalty toward the British, and worked deliberately to keep the Muslim away from the mainstream of Indian politics. That I have just now explained, that all this work was done by British to keep Muslim away from the Congress and to cut down the power of the Congress. So they favored Muslim, and Muslim in return they wanted the young people, some young in Muslims, they were always with the nationalist Congress. So they wanted them to become loyal to British instead of the Congress. Then children was the partition of Bengal. You know very well that the partition of Bengal in 1905, I have already explained you that Lord Curzon partitioned Bengal into two provinces, apparently on administrative ground. However, the real purpose was that he wanted to divide the Hindus and Muslims. So here he gave one section went under Muslim and another to the Hindus. Now Muslim of the East Bengal, led by Nawab Salimullah of Dhaka, welcomed the partition. Because why they welcome? Because they thought now the power is in their hand. Now they are not with the Hindu community. Now they are all powerful, and in their part they can do whatever they wanted to do. Then Muslim deputation of Lord Minto in 1906. Now Muslim deputation met Lord Minto. The Viceroy assured the deputation that their political right and interest as community would be safeguarded by the British. Here Muslim want to become more powerful in the field of administrative, or they wanted to have power, political power in their hand, because Muslim always thought that if they get independence, if British goes away from the country, and if they don't get the power by the British, what will happen? The more and more in Hindus will take the part in the political ground, or they will become they will get the power and they will dominate the Muslim community. So before that only Muslim wanted to get power from the British. So Muslim from all over the country, led by Aga Khan, head of the Ismail sect, met to the Viceroy in Shimla on 1st October 1906 and put forward their demand, which included the following. These were the demand, children, which they had put in front of Lord Minto, and it was representation of Muslim in elected bodies on the basis of their political importance and not on their numeral strength. Separate electoral constituency for the Muslim in the provincial council and the imperial legislative council. Then preference to be given to Muslim while nominating members of the Viceroy's council. They wanted the number either equal or more than Hindus. And then reservation of the seat of Muslim in the state service. More state aid of promoting new Muslim universities. They wanted more and more Muslim universities. Here children, this much we are going to do today. Formation of Muslim League, aims and objective we will do in the later class, children. By that time, I don't want to rush with the chapter because it is very important. When we talk about the board, the question always comes from the chapter Muslim League. So children, go through the chapter, and children, I always see that very few children, they go view the YouTube. If you don't see the YouTube and if you don't go through the lesson, children, you will be in great problem when school opens. You will have to face board this year. So children, be serious and go through the lesson. Have a good day, children. Thank you.